Okay, so I want to talk about this tool that I got. It's basically, it straightens your hair, does a lot of different things, also blow dries. I just blow dried mine with it. I didn't do a great job, I just dried it. But it took about 5 minutes, so great time. It also comes with 2, 4, 6 total heads. So I thought that was great. And then you can take it off by, there's a little button right here. It also came with a glove. So I'm gonna take the top off. You just push a button right here. There's a lock and unlock button. Super easy to come off. It was hot, so I used a towel. I wanted to try this head because, this is what I just did my hair with, this one. But I wanted to try this head. It almost made me think of like Dyson. So you kind of look for the grooves right there, and then you really just put it on and twirl. Okay, so let's try this one. Oh, there is, as you can see, there is air coming out. That's amazing. Oh, I was on, so if you could see, I was on low, so there's low, medium, high. So this is just as powerful, I'd say, as a blow dryer. Let's try a different head. Let's do, this one almost looks like it would curl your hair. This one, brush. Let's try this one. And I mean, even if you only like one of the heads, you're still getting your money's worth. But it comes with 6, and so far I've liked all of them. So let's turn it up to high. I actually really like that one. Like you can see, it actually smoothed my hair a lot compared to like this side. You can see. I really like this head more than I thought I would. But I really like this product. I love blow drying my hair with this, like these, because I feel like it gives you more volume, and absolutely love this one. I can't believe how many heads it came with. So this is a good find if you are in the market for a new blow dry brush, hot tool, whatever. This is a goodie.